Hello and welcome to Siddhi. This video is only for those aspirants who want to prepare for SSC exams of 2027 in a very structured manner. Usually, when an aspirant starts preparing for SSC exams or for that matter, any competitive exam, they face a dilemma, a struggle between completion of a syllabus versus revision. And in an attempt to maintain a balance between syllabus completion and revision, what aspirants do is they complete the entire syllabus in a linear manner. For example, let us say you started with arithmetic percentages chapter. You did chapter by chapter by chapter, and you completed arithmetic. And by the time you complete the last chapter and you come back to the first chapter, and when you start solving tests on the first chapter, when you see a question, you feel like you know the question, you know how to solve the question, yet your pen doesn't move. You get stuck at first step or second step, etc. The reason why this happens is you completed the entire syllabus once, but you never revised the syllabus at any point of time, because of which you will forget the syllabus. And this is the biggest problem that is faced by majority of the aspirants. Rather than doing the syllabus in a linear fashion, you should do your syllabus and revision together in a parallel manner. And this is exactly how I have designed the BrahMos program of Siddhi. In BrahMos program of Siddhi, I have divided the entire syllabus into multiple phases. If you see properly, for example, in phase number 2, you have 30% of your day given for revision. Phase number 3, you have 60% for revision. And at each of the phases, as you progress from first phase to second to third to fourth, etc., the amount of time that is given to revision keeps on increasing. This is necessary because as you proceed from one stage to the other stage, the syllabus that you might have learnt in the previous stages will increase. It will get compounded. So you need more amount of time for you to revise the earlier phase alongside completing the syllabus of the current phase. So in the first phase is a warm-up phase where you will be spending 4 to 5 hours of a day on studies. The warm-up phase is necessary. It is designed because I want you guys to come back to your study table and I want you guys to get used to start studying again, because most of us in our intermediate, in our degree, etc., we don't study daily and our habit of studying daily is long gone. So in the first phase, as a part of warm-up, we are learning new things and we are getting back to the habit of studying. And in the second phase, we are giving 30% of the time to revise what we studied in the first phase. Along with that, we are learning new content. And as we proceed towards the phase 3, the amount of time that is given to learn the new content will come down, because whatever you studied in first phase and the second phase, this part you must revise at this point of time. And as you proceed towards the next phase, you have to dedicate 80% of time. Rather, you should, if necessary, dedicate 90% of your time to revise your content in phase 4, so that whatever you have studied in your phase 1, 2, 3 gets completely solidified. So this way, the BrahMos program of Siddhi, I have designed it in such a manner that you are not just learning the syllabus, you are revising it, you are solidifying the syllabus. And to complete this entire syllabus in phase-wise manner, I have devised a dedicated plan where this entire phase-wise syllabus is divided into weekly targets. Now, I am giving you weekly targets because I don't want you guys to stick to one fixed, rigid schedule of the day. Rather, when you have weekly targets, you can have certain amount of flexibility in your day, and you can also incorporate your personal social life as well whenever, wherever necessary, and you can complete your weekly targets. And to ensure that you complete your weekly targets properly, and for you to measure your weekly preparation, for you to know whether your weekly targets are completed properly or not, I am giving you weekend tests. This weekend test is dependent upon the target that you have finished in the previous week, and the score of this weekend test is the yardstick for you to know whether you have completed this weekly target properly, or is it necessary for you to go back to your weekly target and for you to revise. Or in the same manner, at the end of every single phase, I am giving you a phase-wise test, and these phase-wise tests are designed in such a way that these tests will cover the entire syllabus that you have studied in that particular phase. So this phase test is now a yardstick for you to know yourselves, to introspect yourselves whether you have completed that particular phase properly or not. So in this manner, in BrahMos program of Siddhi, I will ensure that you complete your syllabus, you revise the syllabus as well parallelly, and your subject gets completely solidified. And you're not alone in completion of all these phases. In BrahMos program of 2027, I will stand by your side in completion of each of these phases, and I will handhold you throughout your journey. And I will do this as a part of Siddhi's BrahMos mentorship sessions. These mentorship sessions are held on Zoom, and I really love these sessions. The reason is, in these sessions, I get an opportunity to interact with all of you, and in these sessions, I insist that you guys turn on your mics and you share your current stages of preparation. Usually, when you're preparing for these exams with so much amount of efforts, you're bound to face certain challenges and certain meltdowns. And these mentorship sessions are a wonderful opportunity for us to discuss these problems and to discuss these meltdowns and to come up with customized solutions so that you can definitely boost in your preparations. Now, let's see how we are going to complete each of the subjects. And as you know, we are going to complete the subjects in phase manner. In the first phase, which is for a period of 2 months, we are going to complete English alongside modern history. And after completing phase 1, in phase 2, we are going to do advanced math along with polity. And in phase 3, we are going to do arithmetic along with geography. So by the time you complete your phase 3, your English, advanced math, then arithmetic is completed, and in GS you have completed modern history, polity and geography. To be very precise, you just have 2 bigger subjects, that is ancient history and economy, that you are supposed to do. Along with that, there are smaller subjects such as medieval history, art and culture, science, space technology, government schemes, etc. along with the static GK, which we are going to complete in phase 4. And in all these phases, that is from day 1 of your preparation till the end of phase 4, you have to write one reasoning sectional test every day. For the subject of reasoning, you don't really need any classes. All you need is practice of reasoning by multiple sectional tests, and that is exactly what you have to write in all these stages. So if you are starting your preparation in this month of September of 2026, you will be exam ready, not just tier 1 ready, but also tier 2 ready by the month of April of 2027. And mark my words, even in 2027 also, your exam will be held definitely after or around August of 2027. So, starting in September, if you follow every phase appropriately, by the end of the May, that is at least 3 months before the commencement of tier 1 of 2027, you will be tier 2 ready for your exams. Now let me talk to you clearly about the deliverables of BrahMos 2027 program. In BrahMos 2027 program, we will be dealing with the subjects of math, English and GS. For these 3 subjects, you will be given recorded lectures, printable notes and topic-wise tests. These topic-wise tests are in addition to the weekly targets, weekly tests and the phase-wise tests that we are providing for you to complete this syllabus. Now, a clear disclaimer is, BrahMos program does not include reasoning either in the form of video lectures or in the form of notes or in the form of any of the sectional tests or type-wise tests, etc. And in GS of BrahMos program, we will be dealing with core subjects of GS along with static GS. And when I am designing this BrahMos program of 2027, I have ensured that the program remains flexible so that even working aspirants can also complete this program with ease. The main advantages are, there is no fixed timeline and you can start this program at any time. All the classes are recorded so that if you are a working aspirant, etc., you can complete the recorded content at your own pace, and you can always join with me in the periodic mentorship sessions and you can discuss with me about your preparation irrespective of at what phase you are in your preparation cycle. And mark this date, for all those who are enrolled in BrahMos program of 2027, we are going to kickstart with our first mentorship session on 2nd September 2026. And if you have already enrolled in the program, in your course material, you have a Telegram link and a WhatsApp channel link that is provided. And I want you guys to be a part of both the Telegram channel and the WhatsApp channel so that you will not miss any kind of updates. Finally, let's get to the most important question. What is the fee of this program? When we launched BrahMos program for the first time, Siddhi had a learner base of 10,000 students. And at that point of time, it was pretty expensive to create a course such as BrahMos, which has wonderful quality. But today, Siddhi has a learner base of 57,000+ students, and I know the quality of my content. It's not about to boast about myself, but there were 4 questions of GS1 paper of UPSC Civil Services Mains of 2026 which can be handled directly from my course notes of GS. And when I say handling, it's not about headings or side headings. You can write a proper 250 word answer directly from the notes. So this course of Siddhi, the content that I am teaching at Siddhi, is more than enough for any aspirant to complete not just SSC exams but also exams such as ACIO, CAPF, etc. And I want this quality content to remain absolutely affordable, and because of that we decided to reduce the fee of BrahMos program, and we wanted to reduce the program fee from 4,000 rupees to 3,299 rupees. And to ensure that this remains further affordable, for the next 4 days, this fee will be dropped to 2,500 rupees. So BrahMos program of 2027 will be available with a validity of 18-month period at just 2,500 rupees, and this course is more than enough for any aspirant to handle not just SSC exams but also exams such as CDS, CAPF, ACIO, etc. Now let me show you how to enroll in this program. To enroll in this program, I want you to get onto the website of Siddhi Prep, and in the website of Siddhi Prep, you have courses page. If you are an iOS user, you will not have store in the application, but for Android users, you can also enroll using the store. So either in the store or in the website course page, you have BrahMos, and when you click on enroll now of BrahMos, you will be redirected to this page. And in this page, you can enroll in BrahMos program, and I will see every one of you in the 2nd September 2026 first mentorship session. Siddhito Sadhitam. Okay. Cut చేయండి బ్రో, క్లిప్ కట్ చేయండి.